Due to the pandemic, our lives have changed a lot. With limited physical interaction, people have shifted digitally and have opted to buy things online. In line with this need, we have created 4 new things for you in 2022. 1. Need TPL insurance as a requirement from the LTO? You can now buy your TPL online and receive it in as early as 2 hours. 2. Need to renew your Perla policy to stay protected? You can now renew with ease through the click of a button. 3. Need a way to pay your premiums without the added costs? Pay your policy online so you're protected when you take your car out for a drive. 4. Need to file a claim? Easily file and reach us from the comforts of your own home. In Perla Insurance, the customer is first. We are continuously adapting to serve you better.
All is well.